Hello, first grade mathematicians, and welcome to your Chapter 5 math test. I will read each question to you. If you need more time on a question, you may pause the video. If you do not need me to read the questions to you, you may stop the video and move on. Number 1. There are 3 cats in a basket. Some more cats come. Now there are 8 in all. How many cats come? Number 2. Which fact is a related fact? Number 3. Look at the facts. Are they related facts? Yes or no? Number 4. Jean has $13. She spends $9. How many dollars does Jean have now? Write a number sentence to solve. Number 5. Find the unknown number. Write the number. Number 6. Which is the unknown number in these related facts? Number 7. Marta has 8 flowers. A friend gives her 4 flowers. How many flowers does Marta have? Number 8. Choose all the ways that make 14. Choose all the ways that make 14. Number 9. Is the math sentence true? Choose yes or no. Number 10. Is the math sentence true? Choose yes or no. Number 11. Is the math sentence true? Choose yes or no. Number 12. Juan has 15 cars. Anne sees 6 cars. How many more cars does Juan see than Anne? If Juan sees 15 cars, Anne sees 6 cars, how many more cars does Juan see than Anne? Number 13. Tina has a book. She reads 10 pages. Then she reads 6 more pages. How many pages does she read? Number 14. Chet has 13 shells. He gives 6 away. How many does he have left? Alrighty, first graders. If you need a question repeated, you may rewind the recording. Have fun!